So, hello everyone. Welcome to you all to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club of NIT-A. Myself, Amit Singh. Bisht. Today we are going to discuss the problem Hall of Fame from the latest Codeforces round Hello 2023. And the problem statement is like that. Thalia is a legendary grandmaster in chess. She has n trophies in a line numbered from 1 to n, and a lamp standing next to each of them. The lamps are directed either to the left or the right, and it illuminates all trophies in that direction, but not the one in the next to it. More formally, Thalia has a string S consists of characters L and R, which represents the lamp's current direction. The lamp I illuminates 1 to I minus 1 if Si is L, and if Si is R, then it illuminates trophies I plus 1 till N, right? And she can perform the following operation at most one. She can choose any index and swap the lamps in I and I plus 1 without changing their direction. That is the swap I plus I plus 1. Si plus Si plus 1. Thalia asked you to eliminate all her trophies or to tell her that it is impossible to do. So if it is impossible, you can choose and perform the operations or to do nothing. Notice that the lamps cannot change direction. This can be only allowed to swap adjacent ones. We have given a positive integer n and a string consists of n characters, and we have to output minus 1 if it is impossible, and we have to print 0 if we can choose not to perform any operation, and if we swap, then we have to print the index of that ith character. There are multiple answers, print any. So let's understand the problem statement first. So the problem is saying that we have an integer n and a string s, which consists of n characters, which having lr, ll, or any. So we have a string consists of n characters, and which consists of l and r characters in it. So uh, if uh, if she has l, then he can eliminate all the all the indices in its left, means he can eliminate these all indices from 0 till n, right? So he can eliminate all the index before him, before her, uh, before the l to g till 0. Means if here character is l, then she can eliminate all the uh, characters in this part, right? And if she having r, then she can eliminate all the characters from after r till n. Means she can eliminate this part, and if having l, then he can eliminate this part from 0 to till l, right? So this is the case, but she can't eliminate this and this, because if he having r, then she can eliminate all the indices greater than r till n, and if she having l, then she can eliminate all the indices from 0 till l, then this indices of l minus 1. So she can only color this part. So these two are remains. So in this case, uh, in this case, what we can do, if we swap them, means if we swap l and r, then this become r and l, and in this case r illuminates from here to here, right? Means this part should be illuminated, and if this is l, this can illuminate this part, r to 0. So all the string should be covered, and uh, all the whole string should be illuminated. So this is the case we are try to find. If there is a existence of RL, and then we have nothing to do. We have zero to do zero operations. And if there should be a present L and R. Then we can only return this indices, because we are going to swap these two, because when the R and L is exist, so we can easily eliminate the whole string, right? So this is the case, we have to find the existence of R and L in the string. And if there is no existence of R, L, N in the string, then this is impossible. Because if we having, let us say, L and L, so this can eliminate this part, and this can eliminate this part. So the this is remaining. And if we having L, or if we having only R's, then we can color a part to a right side only. And if we having L, we can color the left side only. So to color the both side, we having a existence of R and L. I hope you all get the logic of this problem. So let's look on the code. So yeah, so I'll now move in the code. So yeah, uh, firstly I take a uh, integer n which contain the length of the string, and then I input the string, and I create a test variable which is initially 0, and uh, I have declared a check variable, right? And I am traversing on the string and searching for the R and L in the string. If I found any R and N present in the string, then I have to uh, the test should be become 1, and I have to break the loop, because I am searching for RLN. And then if that if this R and L is not present in the string, then we are searching for L and R, because we know L and R. If is L and R is present in the string, we can swap these two, and I found my desired result, right? So now I checking for L and R. If the R and L is not present, and increment and store the ith index of the check, means we have, because we have to swipe those two index, and we have to return this ith index. So I store this in that this in the check. And finally I count L and R's, because if the whole string is consist of L, then the answer is not possible, means we have to return -1. And if all the string consist of the R, we have to return -1, because we, in this case, we can only uh, color a specific part, either left or right of the string. So in this case, we have to return -1. So first, if I found RL and this is very good, we have to just return 0, because we can't do any operation in this. And if the whole string consists of L and R, then we have to return -1. And if there is a presence of L and R, we have to just return the index of the L. So I hope this should be clear to you all, and thank you.